How to block channel on YouTube. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So you must know that you cannot block a channel on YouTube. This feature has been hidden by YouTube. So better you can hide the certain videos of the channel. For that you have to select the video that you want to hide and tap on the three-dotted vertical line at the right hand side of the video, and you can go for don't recommend channel or not interested option. If you go for not interested, then the videos will be hidden from your homepage of YouTube and similar videos won't be appear. But if you go for don't recommend channel, then the videos from the channel won't be appear on your homepage. There is also another option for blocking or hiding the channel. For that you have to open up your YouTube on desktop side. You can also open YouTube on your laptop. Here I am opening up YouTube in browser. You must know that the YouTube must be opened up in browser form. If you are unable to do that, you have to simply tap on the three-dotted vertical line at the right hand side, and you have to simply tap on desktop side and it will be easily opened up to desktop side. Once you are here, you have to select the channel which you want to hide, and once you select, you will be able to see various options over here. Among them you have to swipe to the right and there is about option over here. Simply tap on about and you will be able to see all of the informations or the description of the channel. At the right hand side there is a flag option right next to the share option. Simply tap on flag, and here are various options like hide user from my channel, report channel art, report profile picture, and report user. Since we are trying to hide the channel, you have to simply tap on hide user from my channel option, which is the first row, and by doing that the channel will be hidden and you won't be able to see the videos of the channel, and by doing that you'll be able to solve your problem. So this is how you can block or hide the channel from your profile. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions regarding this video, then you can comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.